Ipinakilala ng prosekusyon sa unang araw ng confirmation of charges hearing ang 5 co-perpetrators ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa pagbuo at pagpapatupad ng naturang Davao model na humantong sa extrajudicial killings sa Davao City at sa ibang bahagi ng bansa. Sila ay si Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa at Vicente Danao na parehong naglingkod bilang Davao City Police Chief. Kasama din si Senator Bongo na nagsibingka ng kamay ni Duterte. Si Dante Geran na naging Davao Regional Director ng National Bureau of Investigation. At si Vitaliano Aguirre na nagsilbing abogado para kay Duterte at sa mga miyembro ng Davao Death Squad. Ayon kay Julia Nichols, senior trial lawyer ng prosecution, ang 5 ay key figures sa pyramid-like structure ng Davao Death Squad.
Under him were co-perpetrators, some of whom I have mentioned. The co-perpetrators had different roles, but one of them was to relay orders and instructions down from Mr. Duterte to the DDS handlers and also to relay reports back up to Mr. Duterte.
Sa naturang pyramid-like structure, ipapasa ng co-perpetrators ang utos o impormasyon sa mga DDS handlers na ipapasa naman ng instructions sa mga magsasagawa ng pagpatay. Sila ay ang mga police officers o hitmen.
Victims were usually targeted in one of two ways. Sometimes an informant would provide information on a target, and the handler would then get clearance from Mr. Duterte through one of the co-perpetrators in the pyramid we saw earlier to kill the target. Sometimes Mr. Duterte himself would give the target's name, would say who to kill, which would be communicated by one of the co-perpetrators to a handler and then down to the DDS member tasked with actually carrying out the killing.
Ayon kay Nichols, inilarawan ng isa sa mga insider witnesses ang naging festive na selebrasyon sa pagbuo ng drug war. Isang basket puno ng mga baril ay pinagpapasapasahan na para bang nakakuha sila ng premyo.
Witness explained Mr. Duterte was happy at this dinner meeting. He was laughing, and he even sprayed a bottle of champagne to celebrate. Quote, he, Duterte again, said it was like a baptismal, like a launching. He was very happy at that moment, end quote.
Dagdag pa ni Nichols, ang mga co-perpetrators sa mga patayan sa Davao ay ang naging co-perpetrators din ng pinalawak na war on drugs and criminality sa national scale. Nauna nang dinenay ni Go at Aguirre ang mga akusasyon laban sa kanila noong unang lumabas ang less redacted version ng document containing charges noong nakaraang linggo. Ngayong day 2 na pre-trial hearing ay idedetalye pa ang naging papel ng 5 co-perpetrators bilang bahagi ng submission of merits ng prosecution. Ngunit kahit pinakilala na sila ay hindi ibig sabihin na meron na silang pending arrest warrant dahil ito ay magiging bahagi ng strategiya ng prosecution kung magdadagdag pa sila ng charges kaugnay sa Crimes Against Humanity case laban kay Duterte dito sa ICC. Nag-uulat mula sa The Hague, Kathleen De Villa.